everyone, are you trying to locate someone or finding someone's contact information? If yes, then this video is for you. Let me show you how to use your best people search tool. So go to find people and then people search. Our best people search is up-to-date, comprehensive, and thorough. It is similar to a skip trace or a real estate skip. It includes current and previous addresses and all known phone numbers for a person. You'll also see aliases, the age or date of birth of the person, and relatives. So you can search by first name, last name, city, and state. Zip code is optional, and then you can click search now. But did not locate any information, you will not be charged. So let's go back to people search. If you don't have the name, you can reverse search by phone number or email. You can also search by address only, but please be specific. It should include the house number because you cannot search by street name only, as it will return all residents in that street. So I have an address here. Let's try to search for this. Click search now. Okay, there. If you're going to search by social security number, please note that restricted access is required. This is the most affordable way to find the last known contact information of someone. You can use this tool if you're trying to find your long-lost friends or relatives or your old colleague. You can also use this tool to screen the people you met online before you meet them in person. I hope you guys find this helpful. Thank you for watching.